Just want to show you how messed up the season is. Check out this guy. My Mexican guava. But then it's been trying to grow fruit. Starting to bloom. More of it, right? And this area has been covered. Get shocked from some of the cold because it's like 70, 80 degrees in the morning because of the covering, and then we drop to like 40 at night. It's 70 degrees on its own, and it's just seasons are messed up. So good thing about having these clips and things, I can go around and just open this back up, check the weather when it's saying it's below 40s, then I'm gonna come back out here and recover these. But I'm about to go around and let some of that light through.